Whoa, people say we have to carry pot really pan it.
On the asphalt.
Yeah, but we
On
can't.
the asphalt with up on the roadside.
Yeah,
that
man.
Is it.
See it, people. I don't know, joke thing. Whoa, it could have, man.
I'm man, it's life, I like. Fully. That is it. Outside. Around here alone, this a camp.
Yo, you never see me from a bar. Yeah. Chop on. Yo, Shefa.
What?
Them defa. Isas.
Yeah.
Say a rubbish pan get kick over. Rasta man.
Yeah.
God. Chop on her. Where's the kick off the gate? Kick off that blood slide. Sorry, never there.
Cab.
Fear for the kick off. Yeah, we general.
I ain't that's
one
it.
chef, you know.
I ain't that's it there, no.
We are now.
Very tough.
Aye. See that now? That's soup we are looking at. One super cook. That means our book.
Season 8 people we there. Season 8 rotted soup. Wagwan people we are cook right just for today people, yeah. A good vibe, 24-hour kitchen, kinda nice spot. Yes sir. Yeah man, a 24-hour kitchen. We there, Ricky Dancer, get me the location. Alright. What we say?
Fully outside. Cooking. Cook.
Yes people, season 8 we there. Get a spot people. We're cooking here today. Yeah man, this is where the cooking's going in today, but we have to do a little spring clean before we start clean people, before we start cook people, yeah? Good vibes. People who are going, you don't know, say 24-hour kitchen people. Look over there, look. Right there, so people, yeah. Roadside. Come in. Let me bring you in at the kitchen people, because right here, so me I cook for the people, yeah. See the setup, yeah? Good vibes. 24-hour kitchen, season 8. With there, so people. Look, I got my portable gas cooker, ingredients out on the table, people, yeah. It's a vibes happening today. Yes, sir. In Croydon, people, yeah. We're cooking capture land. Good vibes. Yes, people, you ever hear about Chronics and Chronics sing about capture land? See it, people. Right tonight, today, you know, art it, you know, we just come set up. Yeah, man, a good vibes, people. So today on the menu, look what I go on. Yeah, man, beer, vegetables on the menu. So what we're doing today, people, I cook a soup. Yeah, man, it's an ital soup I cook out of the road, people. Pan capture land. What you mean? Good vibes. That is it.
You're outside.
Fully active. Laughing.
Two fish. Two savers, man. Outside.
Yo. Fighter.
Is it stalling?
Everybody big up yourself. We're here. Look, come in another. Nothing ain't better than when a pot is bubbling and it's ready to put ingredients inside, people. How you mean? Season 8, we're fully active, we're fully there. So look, today we're going to be making a vegetable soup, people. Right, Yasso, West Croydon. Look, roadside cooking, people. Yeah man, a good vibes. We're there. Alright, so you see the corn, we're going to be using some corn today. And because corn is one of them ones there in the pot, it can't boil out so easily. So we just go and peel up the corn them from early and get the corn them in the pot. Good vibes. Alright everybody, so look at this. So our corn them, what we're going to do is just going to block them up, break them, and then we're going to just put them into the pot, everybody. Our good vibes. Yeah man, a 24-hour kitchen now, we're there. But we say we are cook right on the roadside. Some ital food. Everything here is organic, people, because you don't know, say, yeah, the food that we cook is to give you all the nutrients and the energy in your body so that you can carry out your daily tasks, people. So what do? We have to eat what? Healthy, people, and eat what? The right food. A good vibes, man. So come inside, we come over here, so now, big pot. What you mean? Drop in some corn in pot, people. Yeah, man, a good vibes. We're there, you know. How is everybody that's on the program right now? I hope everybody is good. Big up everybody that's been on the journey so far. We're in season 8 and it's a good vibes. Here's my little fingers that's gonna be cooking with me today. Assistant here, Mummy. Mummy gave me the permission. Good vibes.
Kairos.
So
This is Kairos.
So Kairos, introduce yourself.
How old are you, Kairos? So Kairos is 8 years old.
Man, then we need local silence, guy, you know, so we are dealing with the young guys.
Which
them.
school do you attend?
Brookman Primary School.
Alright, straight from Brookman, representing. Alright, people, so look what we're going to be cooking today. Let me show you what's on the menu. Do you know what this is?
Plantain.
Tell everybody what this is.
Plantain.
So I want you to go through all the ingredients.
Pumpkin.
Pumpkin.
Chocho.
Chocha.
Cocoa.
Cocoa.
Scallion.
Scallion.
Yam. White yam.
Yam.
Yeah,
Yam.
white yam.
White yam.
Yeah. Okra. Yeah.
Okay, man, we've got a little finger in the kitchen again today. It's a good vibe. Let me help him put on his gloves, because look, he's having little struggles putting on the gloves because we're going to be cooking. Yeah, man, let's get some fresh pair of gloves and help you put on your gloves. Good vibe. Right, Kairos, so what I want Kairos to do today, so Kairos, I want you to wash some scallion for me. Which ones are the scallions? No, that's the okra. So these are the scallion. So this is our bucket of water. So I just want you to wash all the scallion them, all of them. So good vibes. So while Cairo washes the scallion, people, I'm gonna be checking on the fire. Good vibes.
Hold it and swipe.
Sure, ready? Yes, people. So me and Kairos were just washing the scallion and we're washing all of the okra. Then we're just making sure that all of that gets into the water. So while he's doing that, I'm just gonna be peeling the pumpkin, everybody, because the next thing that we're going to be putting in the pot is the pumpkin. Good vibes. All right, everyone, so what we're doing, we're just peeling the pumpkin, because the pumpkin is the next ingredient that we're going to be putting into our pan today. Yeah, man, we're there in season 8, people. It's an ital soup. I've got little fingers in the kitchen with me today. Big up Kyra. Yeah, man, because we have to get all of the children them in the kitchen them to learn what? Life skills. It's important from early. They can fend for themselves and they're not dependent. Because more time when they go outside and they see all them fast food, they're not going to want it. They're going to want to now eat proper food. So if you get the kids to cook and learn to eat proper food, you might save yourself some money. Good vibes. All right, so what I'm doing now is peeling the chocho. Getting the skin off the chocho, everybody. Good vibes. Chocho is one of them water-based vegetable as well. It carries a lot of water. It absorbs the flavor of what you put it into the pot. Now we have to keep the camera like flat. Yes. Good vibes. So big up my camera assistants that with me today, people. Yeah, man. I'm getting an assistant from Kyra's mum. So big her up, people. Yeah. Yeah, man. So there's a teamwork go on outside right now, and we got some audience that's here with us as well, spectating. A good vibe. So how are we getting on in the washing section? So you know what we're going to be doing next? I want you to cut the pumpkin for me. So I need to cut them in half. You recording it? Yeah, come. So Kyra, we're gonna be cutting the pumpkin today. So nice, like that. I'm gonna help him to cut. So first of all, you place your hand on the knife so you get 2 hands on. That's it, and we just go down firmly. When you're using the knife, you must be very delicate and gently at the same time. And then what we're gonna do now, we're gonna pop these into the pot. Good vibe. So come in. All right. So our pot's a little bit. Let me help you. Let me get them in there because our pot's a little bit high today.
Yeah.
So come in, have a look. So we've got the corn in there. Now we're gonna drop some pumpkin in. Good vibes.
Good vibes.
So Kyrie, what I want you to do, yeah, is just chop up some scallion for me. Yes, people. So yeah, man. Season 8. Come and have a look and see how the young chef is cutting up our scallion. Good vibes. Perfect. Nice. Look at that. Just how we wanted them. And then what we'll do now, we'll just cut off the bottom of it. Just like that. And then we'll just take the rest of it and pop it into the pot. Good vibes. The flavors is starting to just create nice and slowly. We've got pumpkin, we've got corn, we've now got scallion into the pot, people, yeah? Good vibes. Look at our little chef over here, just going in with things. Yeah, man, it's amazing. You know that the kids them want to cook, but we have to give them the opportunity, people, yeah, to cook. If we don't give them the opportunity, they're not going to be able to gain the skills from early. So me now, myself, I want to have the children, every single child, inside of the kitchen, and that should be one of the curriculum. Just like how they have to go to school and learn math, science and English, they must learn to cook, because a part of learning to cook, you're going to learn to clean as well, because cooking gives you cleaning as well, because you have to prepare your ingredients, wash the ingredients and all them kind of things. You have to be hygienic as well. And they learn about allergies as well, dealing with milk, nuts, dairy products as well. So food is an essential things for the picnic them. Good vibes. So look at that, he's so confident in the kitchen, he knows what he's doing. It's like he's been here before, everyone. So Kyra, how are you finding it in the kitchen? You finding it good? You like all the cutting and stuff like that?
Yeah.
Yeah? So what's your favourite food that you like to eat? Chicken. What kind of chicken? Because you got fried chicken, you got curry chicken, you got barbecue chicken, jerk chicken. You like jerk chicken? So look, he likes a bit of smoked chicken, everybody. Look, everybody loves jerk chicken. I think every children loves jerk chicken.
Yeah. Can't go wrong with jerk chicken.
Can't go wrong with jerk chicken.
So what you got there now?
So what I'm putting in now in the pot, I'm just peeling the cocoa, everybody. Yeah, man, good vibes. Cocoa is the next root vegetable, everyone.
Okay, so when it boil, it come like what, potato?
Coming like potato, and it even coming like yam as well.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
Do you know what that is?
Ginger.
Ginger.
Alright, so Kyra, come. We're gonna put some chocho in the pot. So what I'm cutting into the pot right now is some chocho. Alright, Kyra, so well, I want you to actually cut up the chocho for me. Just put 3 lines in it and then cut it in the square. Wash your fingers. Make sure you wash your fingers. Yeah.
Paris, put your 2 hands on the
Yeah,
knife.
put your 2 hands. Put your hand on, you put your other hand there and you
That's
just push
it.
down. That's it. And then you come up again. And we just push down again. Good vibes. And then we just come like that. Just go across. Across. That's it. So what we've got some cubes. Just rinse them off quickly.
And then they're gonna go in a soup.
Pot, everyone. So come and have a look. So we've got almost everything that we're going to be putting into our pot today, everyone. So what's going to be happening, we're just going to make it just go and boil. We're going to add the yam in next and just let everything just go and boil up together, people, yeah? A good vibes.
So what is this one now?
So this one, what I'm dealing with right now is the yam. White yam. Look how nice and white is everybody. Yeah, man, a proper white yam, people. Good vibes. Alright, so what I'm doing right now, everybody, I'm just putting some more scallion into the pot. It's the last of the scallion that I'm adding into the pot
And the
right now.
scallion does what? It brings the flavour
Yeah
together.
man, the scallion just brings in the flavour nicely with all of the rest of the ingredients that I'm going to add in. What I'm going to put in next is just a little bit of ginger as well.
Okay.
Yeah, man, so this is the ginger here. I'm just going to peel up the ginger. Yo.
And just a little bit of ginger like that?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I'm going to cut it up though.
Okay.
So like this. Okra time, people, you don't know, so we have to put in the okra in our pot. Yeah man, a good vibe. And do an ital pot, people, yeah. We cannot do an ital pot without the garlic, the scotch bonnet pepper, the thyme. We already got the scallion in the pot, people, yeah. Look at that, wow, good vibes. So we've basically got all our ingredients into the pot today, people, yeah. Come in. My little fingers is with me today as well. My representee, yeah man. My young master chef is here as well, people. How does it feel to be cooking outside today? Good vibes, isn't it? I mean, give me a touch. That is it. Yes, everybody. So what I've done, I just take the pumpkin back out the pot, everybody, mash it out, just to get the colour that we're looking for. Cause we have create a colour inside of the pot as well, everybody. Yeah, man. A nice colour we are create. See, the colour of the pot has transformed into a nice red colour. Good vibes. Yeah, man.
That is it. Maddest life, alright?
Maddest life.
That I showed. I said no noodle, nothing.
No nothing. Just.
Ital.
See there? Yeah, man, I hate that people. Yeah, man,
I eat that, man. Ital, man.
Good vibe.
No additional, nothing. That is it.
That is it. Yes, people, look wagwan, look. Wow. Yeah, man, look at the okra and the pimento seed, them bubbling up on top of the pot, people. Yeah, man, with the right here, so look, the smoke. Yeah, man, right at Roadside, people. This one is a good vibe. This is where the boss say? West Croydon. Yeah, man. So, it's a I2 corn soup, people, yeah. Right on the roadside. Yeah, man, a good vibes. You don't know, say a 24-hour kitchen. Cooking with Ringo Vision. Oi. Boy, people say we have to carry pot really pan the
asphalt.
Yeah, but we
On
can't.
the asphalt with it on the roadside.
Yeah,
that
man.
Is it.
See it, people. I don't know, joke thing. Whoa, it could have, man.
I'm maddest life, alright? Fully. That is it. Outside. Around here alone, this I can't go on. No way, look. Show the people. Up the road.
Yeah, man. See
West
it, man.
Croydon this. West Croydon this. I'm maddest life for live. Outside.
Good vibes, people. Good vibes. Season 8, we're there. Yes, everybody, I hope you guys enjoyed this episode here. We're right here. This is where it all happened today. Yeah, man, we take the kitchen from right there, so people, look at the sunset behind us. Wow. Yeah, man, a good vibes, you know. See side over there, so you know. See pot there, so catch right there, so you know, I go and bubble up, said we, you know, people. Yeah, man, we just done complete the what? Yeah, man, the mission complete, not true?
Yeah, man. Vegetable soup. Check it out. Live.
Full of corn and everything. Yeah, man. A good vibes, people. Big up on yourself. 24-hour kitchen. You don't know what I'm going. We done do the thing. Garlic, scallion, thyme, ginger, pumpkin, chocho, yam, all natural, all organic.
Everything. All organic. Nothing additional. That is it.
That is it, people. Big up yourself. 24-hour kitchen. A good vibes. So, yeah, man. I just want to show you inside of the pot one more time. Come and have a look. See it there? This is smelling so beautiful, people. Organic pot. Yeah, man, it's a healthy lifestyle I'm talking about, everybody, yeah? And I'm encouraging each and every one of you to what? To just do the right thing. Try and eat at least once in the morning when you get up. Lunchtime, have a little bit of snack. Make sure you have dinner. Because, listen, hard day at work. We start the day, we want to start the day powerful and strong. That is it, people. Yeah, man, we're fully active and we're fully up on the roadside. One more time in our pattern, come have a look at pimento seed, a float one on top, and we have ginger and we mad thing. Ready to eat, people. Yeah, man, big up yourself. 4,000 subscribers, big up yourself. Let's get ourselves all the way up to the top, people, yeah? That is it. A good vibes. Oh, look here, man. I don't know, joke flex, you know, see ball them here, people here. Anything I go on right now. Good vibes. Serving time for the spectators. Yeah, man, serving time right now. Yes, people, come on, we're at that grand finale. Look at that. Corn. Yam. Talk about, man. Rough. Take out the time, them. That's the time in the bin because we've done got the use out of it. Where else we have in here, so? Cocoa. Good vibes. So, that one, we just serve them up and we just add some soup in a shorter while. I can't them, man. East side come in, go look from the patio. Because patio go on, you know?
That is it, that is it.
Yeah, man, a good vibes.
Yeah, man, if you catch a pack, man. Look at that. Modest life, I lie?
Modest life.
See the people right on the roadside. Doesn't know. 24-hour kitchen, active. Yeah, man.
Active, man.
Audience, them are wait though, patiently.
True.
They are wait. Come on, see it, man.
Oi! Yes, people, so I could just get a pick up some soup. What go on, G? A good vibe. You come just in time to taste the thing. Yeah. Okay, now. Come in the east side, come up on it. That is it, you know.
See it, eh? See it, peeps? See it, everybody? That is how you share soup.
Oi! That is it! Good.
You never see me from a bar. Yeah. Chop on, yo, Shefa.
What one?
Them defa. Isas.
Yeah.
Say, rubbish pan get kick over. Rasta man.
Yeah.
God. Chop on her. Where's the kick off the gate? Kick off that blood slide. Sorry, never there.
Cab.
Fear for the kick off. Yeah, I'm general.
I ain't that
one chef, you know.
I ain't that there, no.
We are now.
I'm very tough.
See that now? That's soup we are looking at. One super cook. That means a book.
Fully.
Bad nice shop. Right thing I need. We have to buy the gas. Brown in. Ringo vision, you know. I have the eye for the vision.
Chef,